Hello, welcome to another video. This time it's a quickie. It's adding and subtracting polynomials, and I think I'm actually awake today, so hopefully we can do this. Alright, so I'm going to be making up the problems here. We'll just do one example adding, one example subtracting. So let's say we need to make parentheses 5x minus 4 plus negative 2x minus 2. Why not? So when you are adding polynomials, what you do is you just drop the parentheses. So that is what we're going to do in this case. 5x minus 4 plus minus 2x minus 2. In this case, I just drew the parentheses here just to distinguish the plus and the minus next to each other, and I didn't want to confuse. But what you can actually do is you can just take this, cross it out, and this thing's just a minus, so it would be minus 4 minus 2x, like that. So let's actually rewrite that. 5x minus 4 minus 2x minus 2. A lot of minuses, it's all minuses here. So now what we do is we group like terms. So like terms have the same variable and the same power, whatever it is. So actually I should put it like, I guess that's right. It has to have the same variable here, x, and the same variable n2. So for example, if it was 3, that's the coefficient 3x, and 5x, well, that would definitely be like terms, and you could do functions with those. You could add and subtract those. But if it was 3x squared and 5x, you could not do that because the power is different. For 5x, the power is 1, and for 3x, the power is 2. They're different, so you cannot add or subtract them. But in the case of this, we have 5x minus 2x over here, which works. So 5 minus 2 is just 3x, right? And negative 4 minus 2, those constant terms just subtract to be negative 6. And so we have our answer here of 3x minus 6. If we want to fully factor, I guess we could do that, but I don't think we need to. Now for subtracting polynomials, it's much the same. The only difference is that you have to distribute the negative across the entire second polynomial. Or if you're subtracting more than 3 polynomials or so on and so forth, you gotta distribute those respectively. So let's say we have 4x squared, parentheses, we have 4x squared plus 7x minus 3, I guess, minus, let's say, negative 2x squared plus x plus 5, like so. Now the negative here has to be distributed throughout the entire trinomial here, to every single one. So we'll just rewrite 4x squared plus 7x minus 3 here. And for the second one, we just distribute it, so we flip all the signs. Negative minus minus is a positive, so it's plus 2x squared minus x minus 5. And you could drop the parentheses here. I just left them. I don't know why. So now we just group like terms. The x squared terms combine to be 6x squared, right? And this x term 7 minus 1x here would be positive 6x, and minus 3 minus 5 would be minus 8, like so. And there we have it. That is how you add and subtract polynomials. Next up, video number 4, I'm going to be going over absolute value inequalities. It's a bit of a hard video, so be ready.